Okay, today we're here at the Habit Burger Grill, and I got their banana wafer shake, which is, I guess, kind of like a, what do they call those? Banana cream pie or something. Okay, let's try it out here. I think they put some of the wafers in the shake, too. Yeah, it's got a nice banana flavor. Oh, yeah, there's a piece of wafer. And then they put one wafer on the top. Oh, two wafers on the top, actually. Like vanilla wafers, I guess. Yeah, that's got a really nice taste. And this is $5.59. So if you happen to like a banana wafer, like pudding or something like that, this is actually really good too. You'll probably like this. So I'm gonna give this one an A. It's got a nice taste, and I happen to like banana flavored things. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.